Hello everybody, hope you had a great and amazing trading day today. Let's go ahead and look at the markets and see how are we looking for tomorrow. So SPY, again, we closed on a doji here. Again, momentum is moving to the upside. We did close on a green volume yesterday. On green volume today. So tomorrow we can break above today's high. We are looking pretty, guys. So one of the things that I'm looking at is for this previous resistance here at 458. That's where we can, hit target sometime this week if we move to the upside. Okay, now I want you to see something on SPY that maybe you haven't seen, but you see this uptrend right here coming up. Oops, sorry. And when we broke the trend, right, we went and tested this uptrend. Okay, which now became resistance, and we came down. And so this is what could happen now that we have this new uptrend here, is that if we break above here, okay, we consolidate here, is that we might hit this uptrend and reject, right? And so my targets, if once we start moving to the upside, would be here, and then you can ride this until we hit this upper trend and see. Then at that point, we're gonna see if it rejects, like what we did with this one, right? We have this uptrend right here, came and tested and rejected, or we're gonna break through and make all times high. So what's up, Jay? Good to have you, man. So that's what we're looking at SPY. Let's look at the weekly. Again, weekly still forming an inside candle here. I don't think we're out of the woods yet, guys. I know I keep saying that, right? But the weekly momentum still shifting down, and we're still below the EMA. So I do want the market to go up. Okay, don't think that I don't. I do, but we just have to play it as we see it. So that's what we're looking on the SPY. Let's look at the Qs really quick. Qs again. Let me go to the Qs to clean it up a little bit. You can see we're just kind of barcoding every day back and forth. You can almost play, puts and calls. When we get the bottom calls, when we get to the puts, that's been the trend lately. But again, we have this trend coming down. We are gonna have some resistance as we start, coming up. We're gonna have this trend here that we're probably gonna hit and see if we can break. If we break above, things are gonna start looking good, because now we have room to run, right, on the Qs. So we have some room to run 380, and then break of that, we can hit 390. So that's looking good. Let's see what the weekly is showing. Again, weekly is still showing weakness here, but this can turn around. And again, look at this upper trend. All right, so on the weekly, again, this is going to be a problem for us, right? We're going to go, and if we reject, we can come and test this bottom here again, and hopefully don't break any down further. But that's just the reality of things. Let's play it how we see it, and I don't think we're just out of the woods yet. Remember, we've had rallies that have been higher. Look at this one back in on the second. We went all the way to 370, right? And then we started kind of falling down. And so I know today markets rallied towards the end of the day, but doesn't mean anything if you look at the bigger time frame, right? We need to get above this area. All right. So that is those are the Qs. Let's go ahead and go over to some things that I'm looking at that are looking good, and go ahead and make sure you put this down on your notes or your watch list, because some of the ones I gave are pretty good. I've given to you guys in the past videos some good plays that have gone up, and make sure you put this one in your watch list. First we have here is TTD. All right, it's looking good here. I think we finished, yeah, we made a new high after hours on the 1 hour. This one, we are hitting some resistance here, but we can break tomorrow. We have room to come to about this trend. Now, this is what I'm keeping an eye on, guys, because if we can break above this downtrend, right, come and test, now we got some room to go, okay? Now we got some room to go on TTD. So this is going to be crucial. We break above this, now things are going to look bullish for this ticker. All right, so another one that you want to put in your list, in your watch list, is going to be AMD. Okay, same setup here. Okay, we're breaking above the EMAs. If we can break above this resistance right here at 130.60, just right here, guys, break above that, right here, right? Consolidate and then have that nice move up to the upside, right? And we're running into these problems on mostly all the tickers here, this downtrend, okay, where we can reject and go down again. But at least we have some area here where we can play in a bullish momentum. So keep AMD on watch. Is something that I'm watching tomorrow. Another one that I'm watching is ALB. ALB, look at this, guys, another downtrend here on the daily. Beautiful, beautiful. We can break above this again, resistance. My goodness, we have resistance in this area. Okay, we can get above that area. All right, break this trend, come and test the trend, and we have some room to run. After we break this trend, guys, consolidate here and then have a move up. We have some bullish momentum on this stock and potential recovery, right, to go up. So a lot of things looking good here. Airbnb as well looking really good here. We can break above this trend. I'm telling you, all these things are aligning really nice. Break above this trend, come this test at 175, and if we can break it, we have room to run. So keep this one on watch. Airbnb, put on your watch list. All right, Dollar Tree, I've mentioned this one again. Remember, I mentioned it yesterday. If you watch my videos, all right, I gave you a target right there. All right, if you go watch my video from me yesterday, and I gave you the target right here's my bubble, and I said this is looking good for tomorrow. Momentum moving up. We had some green volume right here with this breakthrough. Watch this sticker to tomorrow, which was today, and Dollar Tree moved up and hit target there. All right, so if you're watching my videos, hopefully this is helping you. All right, another one, ENPH was looking really nice here on the daily. Hold on, guys, let me clean this chart real quick. Okay, ENPH was looking really nice here on the daily. I was talking to one of my members on the Discord channel towards the end of the day, and I was like, keep an eye on ENPH. Didn't realize that ENPH had earnings till the after we spoke, but I'm watching the ENPH. It has a real nice setup here. We got a squeeze going on the daily. I'm really liking the setup on ENPH. Well, it had earnings, and I kind of missed it when I was talking to him. But you could see that ENPH shot up after hours with those earnings, right? Look at that. All right. So this is what we're looking at in the daily, and this is ENPH now. So from 143 to 169 at the close. So beautiful setup that we had here with the squeeze. And I was just going over some plays with him that I'm keeping an eye on, and that was a great setup. Amazon is another one you want to keep on watch. Look at this, we're breaking downtrend. We're breaking above EMAs. We have some nice volume and momentum to the upside. So today, Amazon kind of traded sideways, but look at this. I'm going to show you something real quick on the hourly. All right, we have a lot of resistance that we cannot break through, but once we break through, all right, this thing is going to squeeze to the upside. We're going to have a little runner there on Amazon. So this area right here, once we get above it, all right, we have some room to run here on Amazon. So keep this one on watch. Looking like a great setup. We're breaking downtrend. Okay, if at any time if we pull back, this can be a great swing. So Amazon, keep it on your watch list. JPM is another one, all right, that we have on our watch list. Let me put that one. So JP Morgan here, this would be target in this area, 159. Okay, we're gonna have some resistance there on that downtrend and upper trend on JP Morgan there. So keep this one on watch for tomorrow. There's a lot of stuff here setting up. Boeing, ticker symbol BA, all right. Keep this one on watch, all right. Momentum to the upside, nice green volume here on this two candle. So watch this one for a potential 218 touch later this week. If you get some sort of pullback, maybe you could start a swing position. You know, it's really up to you. You know, form your plan. Do some technicals on it. If you like it, you know, you take whatever you can get out of here. Another one called Goldman Sachs. I mentioned this one yesterday as well. It did a little bit today. It kind of pulled back and then made kind of reverse towards the end of the day. But we are hitting that resistance. We can break. The target's going to be right here at 379. So keep that one on watch as well. Let me create okay, clean that up a little bit. And then another one, I really don't, I mean, if you like this one, I really don't like this one. Snow, something you can keep an eye on. Have this nice downtrend maybe tomorrow. Watch this on the 1 hour, guys. Okay, Snow, watch this downtrend break in the morning. We could squeeze up. All right, so look at the squeeze here on Snow on the 1 hour. All right, have a nice squeeze going up here. Okay, watch this one on the 1 hour tomorrow. All right, so CRWD looking good too. All right, coming from this bottom here, and we're trying to break support, but as soon as we break this area, now we have some room to run. Okay, we can run all the way up here to the 200s, 217 area on CRWD. You can see momentum starting to go to the upside. Got some nice green volume today, looking really nice. Put this one as well. So keep this one on watch. Another one that I have here is Snap. Okay, so keep Snap on watch. The only setup I like here is on the 1 hour. I'm gonna show you here this real nice downtrend that we have on the 1 hour. If we can break above, you know, we can come and hit this 39 level on Snap. Okay, if we can break above that, then we have 40. So that's what you need to be watching for tomorrow, and of course whatever else you have on your watch list. Other than that, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I mentioned GME yesterday on my video, if you saw the video. And where's my, oh, I think I took it off. Okay, but GME had resistance there, and we're watching this doji, but we saw a setup on the 4 hour here. Okay, so on the 4 hour, I told the members of the Discord, watch GME. Right, we have this wedge here with the TTM squeeze here, squeezing, showing strength of reversal here. And sure enough, this GME took off after the open, never looked back, and we ended up here at a high of 116. So from 103. So great setup here on the 4 hour that I saw this morning. So that's a good one. Let me take out that line. So that is it, guys. So keep that on watch. I think AMC moved as well. Keep that on watch, and whatever you like, go ahead and make a plan and trade your plan tomorrow. Again, if you are liking my videos, don't forget to like them, guys. It would help me. And don't forget to subscribe, share them with your family and friends, so you know they can learn as well. And then if you want to join me on Discord, the link's down below. I go live 30 minutes before the market, and I teach my strategies and trade live with you guys in the morning. So if you would like that, go ahead and join us. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys mañana. Take care. Have a blessed night. Have a good sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Adios.